guys, welcome back. Today we're doing an Aldi grocery haul. We're gonna do a little bit of shopping, of course, hit that random aisle where all the randomness is. So we're gonna hit that area, do a little bit of shopping, and then once we get back to the house, as always, I'll go over everything I picked up, including the total, the prices, and then this week I'm actually gonna share our meal plan for the week for dinners. So make sure you stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, well, I'm back from the store, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over everything that I picked up, and I will have the prices down in the corner for you. I'm just gonna go over it real quick, and then I'll go over our meal plan for the week. And I'll also share the total at the end as well. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna start over here on the left side. I picked up a thing of half and half, just regular half and half. It's not flavored creamer. I also picked up toilet tissue. I got paper towels, and I like these big bottles of the lemon juice as well as the lime. We use a lot of these for cooking, so I went ahead and picked up one of each of those. I needed a new thing of jelly for PB&Js for the girls. And then I also got some black beans, which we always like to keep these on hand. And they did not have the fire roasted diced tomatoes, the canned tomatoes, which I prefer for one of the meals that I make, but they were out, so these will have to do, which is perfectly fine. It's just the basil, garlic, and oregano diced tomatoes. Sandwich skinnies, whole wheat. These are good for an easy lunch during the week. I got some bananas, and yes, I like to get them on the green side, so that way by the time we're finished eating them, they're not completely done for. I went ahead and got some protein bars. Peter likes these in the morning. This is the dark chocolate peanut butter. Some tzatziki sauce, which we like these on the gyros that we usually do about once a week. I got 2 things of olives. We use these on salads as well. There's another recipe that we use these for. Got our whole wheat pita bread for our gyros. And then Peter requested the oven roasted chicken breast for his sandwiches during the week for lunch. This is 1 pound. And then I got quinoa. I went ahead and got 4 boxes. I got the 2 of the rosemary and olive, and then I got 2 garlic and basil. And then we love these risotto packs. I got 2 of these. I got the mushroom, and then I also got the roasted garlic. Got some red onions, some grapes. These I could not pass up was the cherries. Got some strawberries. Back here I got these 100-calorie pack snacks. These are the baked chocolate chip wafer snacks. Got a half gallon of milk here, whole milk. And then back here I got a new box of the Honey Nut Crispy Oats, same thing as like Cheerios basically. And I got the Aldi version of the Cinnamon Crunch Squares, like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We needed some more shredded cheese, so I got the Mexican style. We also needed more sandwich cheese, so I got the Colby Jack and Swiss. And some days I just need an easy, quick lunch where I don't have to really prepare anything. I can just throw this in our toaster oven. I got the Supreme. I got 2 bags of baby carrots. The blackberries I couldn't pass up. These just looked so good. 2 things of ground turkey. Got some sour cream. And y'all know how much I love to get these for Reese. They had a new one today, the apple, banana, blueberry with oat and flax. Got her some veggie munchers, she loves those, as well as her yogurt bites. I got the mixed berry and the strawberry. Got a bag of chopped kale. Show you this, the salmon. Now this is a 2-pound bag. Now that will last us quite a while. I got some pecan shortbread cookies. 2 things of the sparkling waters, the passion fruit and tangerine. I got a big thing of the spring mix salad. 2 seasoning taco packs, taco shells, 2 boxes of taco shells, and then I got 2 things of chicken broth. And then I also got some of the donut store blend medium roast coffee. I don't usually use these. We have like the refillable K-cup, but if we have guests over, it's just easy to have these on hand with our Keurig. Okay, this is our meal plan for the week. So on Sunday, we're gonna do kielbasa with rice and salad. On Monday, we're doing our chicken gyros with sweet potato fries. That's one of our favorites. And then Tuesday, we do Taco Tuesday. Now, the reason why I do these back to back is the topping we use for the chicken gyros. It's a cucumber salad, and it actually also serves as a great topping to put on tacos. And whenever I make it, it's usually enough to last us a few days. So that's why I do the gyros first, and then we do Taco Tuesday, so that way I don't waste any of that topping. We can use it 2 days in a row for 2 different meals. Wednesday we're doing 1 pot tomato basil pasta, and then I also do grilled chicken with that. Thursday we're doing the Greek meatballs with quinoa, and that one's super yummy. On Friday, I'd call that Fish Fridays. We're doing salmon with rice and salad. And then on Saturdays, this is one of our new favorites. We do turkey burgers, but I've kind of turned it into my own version of a blue bacon burger. So I'll do like crumbled blue cheese with bacon and all the other good stuff with fries. So that is our meal plan for the week. And if y'all have any questions, definitely leave them down in the comments below for me, okay? Alright you guys, well that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and then subscribe if you're new. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. And don't forget to jump down in the comments and say hello, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!